everybody undo my dick. This is cutting the hairs of my dick, won't it?
Guys, look at that.
Now,
Burnt through.
now we're going to do this trailer.
Should we try and burn it through?
Yeah.
Press it really hard and I'll do it really hard. Do it really hard.
No, I haven't done it really well.
Oh God. Hope you enjoyed this video. Get more plastic. Now, guys.
Now we're going to do less plastic.
And after, we're going to do this.
Yep. Then we'll start with...
Press it really hard and I'll burn through it. Start all over again. Like this. Like this. Okay? Then press it really hard and I can burn.
Oh. Now,
Now
guys,
come off, guys.
Now, guys, we're going to do less.
Burn it really hard. Has it made a hole yet?
Not yet.
Press it really hard.
So that's done.
Yeah?
Now.
Press it like this, Joe. Not really hard because it'll fling back. Oh. Oh. Has it made your finger black? A little bit. Oh, guys. Show them it.
It's got a bit of tyre on.
Yeah.
See this? I
Now
need
we're
to
gonna do it
describe
again.
the
Is it
light.
still- is it? Yeah, still recording.
And we're to drive the lights, okay?
Guys, we are
And
gonna
last
do the
A fart.
plastic. Now we're gonna do
A marble.
that.
Plastic.
Yeah. Now we're gonna do plastic again. That come off easily.
No, the tissue.
No.
The tissue.
No, the wood. Go like that.
Okay. Now the wood actually has this.
Smell that.
Oh, that's hot as well.
Did you smell it?
Yeah.
Should we try and get it on fire?
Yeah.
You tired girl. Flames in. Press it quite hard.
I am.
Oh,
I was supposed
not
to
that hard. In the middle. In the middle. Yeah, that hard. Once it smells really bad, take it off.
That's the soil. See my finger a little bit.
Can you smell the burnt tire?
Yeah.
What
Now
else
I'm
could we
gonna do it again.
Oh, the doll.
Oh yeah, the doll's face. Feel that? Feel that?
The doll's
See
head.
it? See the
The
step?
doll's head.
It's burnt. And
Yeah, the doll's head.
now we're gonna do the doll's head. Oh. Do we not do that?
No.
Got snot all in that.
Now we're going to do a bit of sponge.
Sponge?
Oh.
No, it's not really hard. and you can't hear it much.
Let me do this.
Spread. Little bit.
Do the wood again.
No! The wood! Go!
No, wait.
Dip it all around.
Like that. There.
Hold it, hold it, hold it.
Don't. No, Joe. Just say it's wet touch.
You say it's wet. Oh, it smells like Just let it go before it dries up.
It won't dry up. Look, this is our now our. No, let me go. Don't. Oh, smell that.
Everybody see that? Everybody see that?
Do the stick because that's oil as well.
Now, your oil stick. Let's go, baby, go, go, go. So look at that, baby.
Look at that, baby.
It's burning. Look, it's actually burning. Burnt wood.
Shit.
No, Josh. It's only oil.
Cut that.
It's only oil.
Don't say it's oil, just say it's water. Oh, it's burning your dick, innit? Yeah?
Nothing.
We're doing our video!
Hi, guys. Sorry,
Don't
guys.
forget to subscribe and drop a like. It's not the end of our video yet, but it will be soon. So, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Because I'm going to try and reach 250,000 subscribers. Is that oil?
No.
Water.
No. Yeah. There's water on there. They're really fast.
Don't let go, Joe. That's what ruins it. Do that little wood again. That's better.
See that?
May I put that on there?
Pick it up in a minute. I go.
Oh.
My trousers a little bit.
Rip them. Should we try and rip them?
No.
Put your dick on it.
I know. Put some oil on my room.
Oh. Don't. Put the oil stuff away. Throw it up there. Throw that up there. Do this. See? Now we're going to do this.
What are you doing?
Doing
Oh,
this
what's that
one.
iPad, love?
Yeah, Mum, it's our video.
Right.
Look, Drew, that!
What?
We could burn that through. Yeah, that. Hold it like that, yeah? Don't lift it up, okay? I said don't lift it up, okay? I said don't lift it up.
You keep hurting me.
No, I don't. Do it like this. Do it like that.
Okay.
Oh! Do it more. There. Now,
No.
do a different thing.
Now we're gonna do this battery, okay, and we're gonna explode it.
Don't lift it up yet. I'll say when to lift it up, okay? Not now. Lift it up and smell it.
What? Now we are gonna do
What are we gonna do?
this. Half a flip flop. It's Hello Kitty, but Brother's over there. But you don't know who he is, or no, me is.
Burn it through. Feel it? It's warm. Don't lift it up, I'll keep doing it.
What? Let me cool it down.
Yeah, might set a light. It's got black. Do it on the side. Do it on the side. Shit.
It's not doing
Do it on the other side.
Do it like this.
Yeah. No, like this. No, like that. Whoa! I'm a bit mental. Don't lift it up.
Still not.
Oh. Let's do this then. Do this then, like that. Both of them at the same time. Like this, so it don't hurt your fingers. Okay? Yeah? Maybe do it that way, like that. So it don't hurt your fingers. Wait,
Done some of that as
should we
well.
try and burn your trousers? Let's see. Put your t-shirt up. Oh! Oh, I'm too tired. Right, that's the end of our video. Bye, guys.
Bye! Splashing me.